Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Matic can see a bit of a bounce to the area at around the $0.784 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.7179 mark, and as long as we continue holding above it, there are high chances that we might continue gearing up slowly to the upper side to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.784 mark. Here on the charts, we have also seen a break above a trend line that I have been having here on the charts, which is the trend line highlighted on the charts using this white line. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have seen a break above the trend line to the upper side. And now all we need to keep our eyes on is a 4-hour close above it, or maybe a successful retest. And the moment we see a 4-hour close with a successful retest of that key area, that is that descending trend line, there are high chances that Matic is going to continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance. And to discuss my next trade setup here on the Matic chart, the moment you see a break, that is a close above the descending trend line with a successful retest, then soon I will be able to open a long trade, having my next target areas at around the $0.784 mark where we have resistance, and having my stop loss at the previous lows at around the $0.6973 mark, because in case we see further breakdown losing this key area of support, I don't want to see Matic lose this previous low that we have here on the charts, because a break below that previous low might send Matic even lower to the area at around the $0.678 mark where we have our next key area of support. And to give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, if I zoom out here on the charts for better view of my Elliot count here on the charts, you can see that after seeing our massive breakdown on the 10th of June, we started this nice recovery to the upside where we first picked in this 1-2 setup. And after seeing the 1-2 setup, we continued gearing up where we now have this wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, then this massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, then we saw this breakdown into the target area for this wave 4, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this wave 4 since we have fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And soon I'm expecting Matic to give us a reaction of this target area and continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 5 and giving you minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.9904 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do here on the Matic chart, and that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the short term. So those are my bullish movements that I'm expecting, but in case we continue seeing further breakdown, this key area of support at around the $0.678 mark needs to continue holding for us to continue expecting higher prices in my bullish Elliot wave count here on the charts. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.